Hi! We know that logs, metrics, and traces are the three pillars of the observability solution. To understand the role of metrics in observability, let's get to know the Root Cause Explorer, one of the most powerful features of Sumo Logic. In this video, you'll learn about troubleshooting incidents using Root Cause Explorer. Root Cause Explorer helps on-call staff, DevOps engineers, and infrastructure engineers accelerate troubleshooting and isolate the root cause of incidents in their apps and microservices running on AWS, public cloud hosts, Kubernetes, and OpenTelemetry. Root Cause Explorer computes anomalies or spikes in metrics associated with microservices and infrastructure entities serving an application, and helps users correlate them to diagnose the root cause quickly. Before you begin, make sure your organization's account is entitled to Root Cause Explorer by referring to the Sumo Logic documentation. Root Cause Explorer is based on 6 troubleshooting concepts that should be familiar to on-call engineers. First, abnormal spikes in a metric indicates either a cause or symptom of an issue. Next is context and correlation. Correlating spikes with context such as time range are essential clues to finding the root cause. Then, the connections. Connections between entities such as microservices and infrastructure components help understand the chain of causation and help on-call engineers link symptoms to root causes. The next concept is a timeline. Spikes that are seen earlier than the incident on the timeline are closer to the root cause. In a complex system, resources or services that break at the early stages of an incident are closer to the probable cause than resources that experience spikes later. Root Cause Explorer exploits this insight to display spikes on a timeline. Then, there's exploring logs and trace data. This can help connect the dots and pinpoint root causes, such as software regressions and configuration changes. Finally, organize your analysis with the golden signals of load, latency, bottleneck, and errors. In a nutshell, errors and latency are the signals that most affect users and are symptoms, while bottleneck and load are often the root cause. Root Cause Explorer classifies each metric as one of these golden signals to assist with troubleshooting. To summarize, Root Cause Explorer helps you diagnose the root cause by correlating unusual spikes or anomalies in metrics, including AWS CloudWatch metrics, OpenTelemetry trace metrics, host metrics, and Kubernetes metrics associated with your application entities. For example, given an alert that a microservice in AWS is experiencing unusually high latency in a specific geographic area, an on-call user could use Root Cause Explorer to correlate spikes on AWS resources, Kubernetes entities, and microservices to isolate the probable cause to a specific set of EC2 instances in AWS that may be overloaded. For more information on the metrics and namespaces supported by Root Cause Explorer, please refer to the documentation. You can access Root Cause Explorer in the Sumo UI by clicking +New, Root Cause. A spike or anomaly in a given metric and entity is represented either by an oval in bubble chart mode or a rectangle in timeline mode. The x-axis shows calendar time, while the y-axis shows the extent of the drift in a metric compared to the expected values. Top contributing entities show at most 25 anomalies that are most relevant for the root cause diagnosis. Alternatively, you can filter the events of interest as per your requirement, and then open them in the Root Cause Explorer. To do so, select +New, Explore. In the top left corner of the screen that displays, under Explore By, select whether you want to see the events related to an app or an infrastructure. Then, in the right pane, choose the dashboard you want to see, then open it in Root Cause Explorer. To learn more about Root Cause Explorer, please watch our video, Understanding Root Cause Explorer. I hope this video helps you understand troubleshooting concepts and how to get started with Root Cause Explorer. Thank you for joining.